You have a problem with it, mate?
Good morning, sir.
Huh? You have a problem? Huh? You know you're gonna get done using a camera.
I calm you down.
But he's good in the video, that's why.
What a liar! See that? What a liar! Look at that! She's such a... Get the hell out of here! Say hi! Say hi! Oh, there we go.
लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे मेरी हवा के झोंके
I ain't never had shit, I did it on my own. I ain't got nobody with me, said it.
Yeah. Sit down. Sit down. Stay.
I see a shadow, it's all I know. Tell me now, where did you go? I lost a light, we see your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know. Tell me now, where did you go? Tell me now, where did you go?
ये लड़की कैसी है?
YouTube में डालूंगा साला. ठीक है?
मेरी डाल देना.
देखा मेरी साला. Hey, where are you going? Where? Man?
चल गाड़ी में पहले चल गाड़ी लेके जा.
No, notorious. Go quick.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see.
Piss off. There you go. I might get a haircut. Look at it. It looks like a... Oh no, George Bush. I've been wanting to see you. It looks like you're not freaking in America. You're hiding in my head, George Bush, naughty boy. But yeah, we're going to probably get a haircut. Got some other stuff to do. I've got to get a Brazilian. So we get the coffees for $1. $1 coffees. Oh yeah, baby. Only in a Pakistani house would you use a book as a mat wash.
खाना खाने के बाद में रही
Casually. Only in a Pakistani house. What an excuse. I say, I want so you fill it up to the top. My mama crazy.
कोई ऐसा पिलाएगा नहीं कोई बना के.
मेरी बीवी पिलाएगी.
नहीं पिलाएगी बेटा.
लाल दुपट्टा.
लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे मेरी हवा के झोंके
कहेगी ऐसा तुम पहले इसको मैंगो को निकाल दो फिर मैं खड़ा होकर बना दूँ. प्यारी नहीं होती बीवी है. जितनी माँ होती है प्यारी.
What if I sing to a Janam? देख लो मिट गई दूरियां मैं यहाँ.
जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां मैं यहाँ.
So I just got a hair done. It's a little bit shorter than usual, but it looks pretty good. I'm thinking of dyeing my hair as well more, but I like this strip that's sort of formed by itself, so I might just keep it. I just don't understand how you can, why you would drive on the right and go 10 kilometers on the under the speed limit. Like, that's fine, drive slowly, but people don't get right lane is for overtaking. If you're gonna drive slow, please do us all a favor, drive 10 kilometers. You know what, just stop. Don't even drive, just park there, be on the left lane, don't be on the right. It's a message to all you mother very nice people. Sorry, that's what I mean. Okay, bye. Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. La 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 la, love me, love me, love me, please.
जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां.
You have a problem with it, mate?
Good morning, sir.
Huh? You have a problem, huh? You know you're gonna get done using a camera recording, huh?
What a fucking idiot. I'll knock this mother. What the F? My mom's shy because it's the first time, but you know what? We'll get her used to it. If you're wondering why I'm so ugly, this is why. I love my mom. Oh, mom, come.
Only put in the videos, that's why.
What a liar! See that? What a liar! Look at that! She's such a. Get the hell out of here! Liar, lucky. Yeah, mom. Yeah, love you, mom. Fuck you,
I'm talking.
Mom, why are you always worried about what I eat? Well, what are you gonna make?
Mango shake.
Oh yeah, give me that. No, there's half left. I didn't finish. What a badass! You say it to me. You're like, oh, mango shake philia.
And still there, but
oh, what? You drank my half and you said you'll give me more. तुम तो बहुत बड़ी चुपकली निकली.
कितना दूँ?
I'm thinking I'm pretty cool in this. And then you look at this, and look where he's parked as well. He's parking in the disabled half, and half no stopping zone. He doesn't give up. What a legend.
So you know the sex trick where you're doing doggy style with a girl, right? And then I don't know what it's called, but then
Doggy style.
no, the trick is like your mate comes in and do it from behind, and then as your face are in front of a window, you're like waving, and she's like, "What the?"
You're fucking dumbest. That's the stupidest thing. He's like, "Bro, my one's not big enough."
You guys can do it because you guys look together. Like the same. But
brother, we want the VIP room. Come on, back room. That's where the raid dungeon is, eh?
Not pretty girl.
Damn.
Pretty girl, that's all.
We've only got the one here. We've only got the one here. I got you. Now VIP. Recording, bro. Hello.
I'd like to introduce myself, guys.
No worries, bro. Sideways, all good.
Oh shit, my bad. It's your boy, Assad.
Bro, relax. You're turning. No, you
He's the main man. This is my boy, my main man.
Good morning. Okay, we are here.
Oh yes, Assad is feeling. Oh, we also got these two couples right here.
for the camera,
Beautiful boy. Oh wow. Then we got this random Hazara on our team.
Say hi. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He's like, yeah. Do I have to give him credit or do I just kind of? You heard it here first. This is my very beautiful patent attorney boy, not drone. Okay, you heard it here first. Everyone, drone. Yeah. Someone email it to me. Very nice. Thanks. Drink that, baby. Oh yeah.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
No way.
Oh my
Bro, if only like someone would like offer me like a straw or something like that. Imagine that, right? Someone offered us like a drink, something that's like a. He's talking to the back of the camera. He's like, unfortunately, you Down syndrome.
One spoon, bro.
$20 cup of stuff here. Even
William's struggling to get his own drink.
My Centrelink hasn't come in yet.
Centrelink. 1-4. What do you want? 1-4.
Oh, look, he won't let us. Just one. Come on. Wait, go, wait. Wait, what happened to two of the boys?
Hey, you.
Oh, yeah.
TM, crewmate.
Inside. Need back up.
Was that a shish?
Oi, no. The half. That's the damage right there. So our boy's gonna hook us up, eh?
इस तरह की बातें सुनाएंगे इस शान में और जो गुण के
How
बाद
does
उसे
she
मौका
say
दे दूं
that?
और क्यों
She's
ना
been
बताऊं
acting for like
क्यों ना
many
बताऊं
years
मैं
now.
खानदान
Yeah.
भर में आज नहीं तो कल जवाब खुदा के खुद से फर्ज
pretty
मत
good
कर
for
लिया
16.
कर
It's almost like your
सजा
age.
दे लिया आपने मिरहा को बस कर मिरहा आपकी बेटी होती तो
Oh! तुमने सही कहा, मेरे दिल में धड़कन है। अम्मी आपने ये क्या कह दिया हमारी अम्मी बेटी को?
खबरदार इस घर में अगर किसी ने आइंदा मिरहा का नाम भी लिया।
So we just ended the night with some Fortnite. We were just playing with some friends, and yeah, we had an interesting day. But it's all good, baby. See you guys tomorrow. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay happy, stay working hard. Listen, you only get one life, literally. Take every opportunity you get, every opportunity that's out there, and make something of it. Seriously, you're 30 years old, 40 years old, you look back and say, well, I did something good with myself. Put in the effort, and I got the results. It's definitely worth it.
I ain't never had